It's Cody here at Gog's Camperway in Mankato, Minnesota. Today we're going to do a little walk around video of a 21 Jayco J-Feather 24RL. We'll walk around the outside here, show you the features of the outside of the trailer, and then we'll move our way to the inside, give you a quick look. So up front here, you'll notice on this particular model, we've put 30-pound propane cylinders on there. As we all know, the J-Feathers come with the electric tongue jack. Got a few little fancy blue lights here for your nighttime camping pleasure, be able to find your camper easier, stuff like that. Nice pass-through storage here. You'll notice you've got your 30 amp cable up there. You've got your stabilizer bars for the 4-corner stabilizer system on here. And then there is a tongue jack override up there. You have the 12-volt cutoff switch, and then you do have some lighting under here as well on both sides. This trailer here, you'll see is a GVW of 6,500 pounds. So fully loaded, you only weigh 6,500 pounds. This does have the G20 tinted safety glass windows. Right over here, you'll see here, so up top here, you're gonna have your black tank flush, and then your city water connection is gonna be right next to that outside shower here. The nice aluminum custom rims there. Nice little slide out that is prepped for slide topper. So if you wanted a slide topper, all we'd have to do is order that up and get that put on there for you. Back here is your 30 amp plug, and then you're going to have your cable and satellite input there on the back. The Goodyear spare tire with the spare tire cover from Jayco. It is side camera prepped and backup camera prepped. Easy add-on for us here. Right next to that, you got your roof ladder, so you can go up and inspect all your seals on the roof and make sure that's good and sealed up so that way you're not having any water damage. You'll notice you got a really nice size awning out here on the camping side of the trailer. That will also have an LED light underneath it for your nighttime camping pleasure. You do have this baggage door back here as well. This is going to house a mini refrigerator, so being able to keep them beverages outside with you, that'll make it real nice and easy. Not having the kids go in and outside the camper. A couple outlets here on the side of the trailer here, and then if you want to have a television out here, there's an output for the TV antenna or satellite. And then if you're going to do a lot of off-grid camping, you've got your freshwater fill. This also has the new J-port system on it too, so if you wanted to pick up an outside griddle like the Blackstone griddles, we can put that on for you too. You've got a 6-gallon gas electric DSI hot water heater. And then you've got your furnace intake exhaust, and then the back of that refrigerator there, access panel for the 12-volt refrigerator, outside speakers, entry door with the nice solid MORryde steps, and then you do have a nice little switch here that will turn on a blue light under them steps so you can see it at night. And then the other side of the pass-through storage, and then you can see the side camera preps here. Another nice thing about this awning, if it's raining out, you can see it's kind of cloudy out here today. If it's raining and you want the rain to go off one side of the camper versus the other, you do have the pitch to adjust on that Solera awning there. Take a step inside and we'll show you around there. So you walk in, you got a nice little hallway here. Right here we've got the 30 amp controller by Go Power for that solar panel on the roof. And then next to that, you're going to have your switches for your lights here. And then it also has the J Command system. So you can hook that to your cell phone and run all of your stuff off of that. Look into the back of the trailer here. You'll notice you got a nice little closet. And then below that will be your converter. Closet for hanging up jackets, stuff like that. Entering the back of the trailer here, so you've got that tri-fold sofa in the back, fold out into a full-size bed, and then the nice kitchen layout with tons of overhead cabinets. You've got the Furrion microwave, the Furrion 3-burner cooktop with the oven, and then you do have the smart switches, as I call them, so when you turn them on, they turn red, letting you know that there is propane running through it. So if somebody accidentally bumps it and your CO2 detector goes off, you know why. 12-volt DC compressor fridge here. Nice thing about this is you don't have to worry about shutting off propane when you're going down the highway, when you go to fill up your tow vehicle. Tons of cabinetry here. Lots of nice drawers here. They are the ball bearing guide drawers. They are 80 pounds rated. They are about 15 inches long and about 11 inches wide. Nice little storage underneath the sink too. You also, hidden in the back corner here, they're going to have that power tower. So you've got the two 110 outlets and then the two 12-volt USBs there on the bottom. This is the modern farmhouse color, so it is white. This will come with a television. We take them out on the lot here. You do have a radio, no DVD player. Booth dinette, and that will fold down for extra sleeping space. You do have storage access from top and from bottom. Into the bathroom here, so you got the two-way bathroom door, one from the bedroom into the bathroom, one from the main living room area. Nice stand-up shower here with the doors, the sliding doors. They do have that travel lock, giving you plenty of room in here. Nice sink, nice little medicine cabinet here. Foot flush toilet down here. And then you do have a spot for some washcloths, towels, stuff like that hanging. Does have a pocket door on the bedroom side of the trailer here, so that's nice and easy to close. And then it does have a lock on the inside as well, so that way you can lock that and nobody's coming into here. Queen size mattress. Lots of overhead storage in here as well. Nice deep cabinets up top here. Then you do have your shelf in here. You can remove the shelf and just use it for a hanging for shirts, stuff like that. Notice on the back side of these here, you've got that blue night light. There are plugins back behind there as well, along with a 110 plug-in down here and 12-volt USB plugins there on each side of the bed. Again, you can remove the shelf in this one too. You can use one for like shelving or one for hanging clothes. You do have TV access in here too, so you can mount a television on the wall up here, and everything's wired for that already. If you have any questions about this trailer, go ahead and contact me. You can reach us at sales@gogscamperway.com, or you can give us a call. The phone number here is 507-345-5858. Just ask for me and I'd be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.